today I'm gonna show you my everyday fall makeup routine. Let's just quickly start the video. So first things first, I use this Embryolisse primer. Nars concealers in shade medium 0 and medium 1. Actually, I'm just gonna use the medium 0 because I don't want anything to be extra today. By the way, guys, I think I'm gonna go back to my black hair soon. Kiko creamy stick in shade 200. My mom says the natural black hair looks so much better on me. Bronzer, I'm gonna use this Guerlain bronzer in shade 1 Clear. Looks like this. If you've seen any of my videos, you've probably seen it. It's more of an everyday makeup. I'm gonna put a little bit of my bronzer on my eyelids. Then I'm gonna use a brown eye pencil and just gonna and a little bit on my under eye. Milk gelatin in shade Burst, I think. And then I'm gonna use this Charlotte Tilbury lip liner. You can see I'm very loyal to them. It's in shade M.I. Kiss, I think. People keep thinking that I have done my lips, and honestly, I think it's a very great compliment. People thinking that my natural lips are so beautiful that they are not natural and someone has done something on them makes me actually happy. Crazy because when I was younger I used to hate my lips and I was like, I hate full lips, and now they are trend and everyone wants to everyone wants to have bigger lips. I sell creamy lipstick, but the shade is gone, but I think it's shade 9. It looks like this. Gently. Revolution eyeshadow palette, shade Reloaded Velvet Rose. Take a brush like this. I'm gonna use this shade. Tap like this before you apply your brush on your eyelids. On the outer corner of my eye, like this. this is it. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.